Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Hive. Recently, the price of Hive has formed another down channel on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several days since after 5th of January 2024, it is moving inside this channel. We got rejection here, bounce here, and then the bounce here, rejection, rejection, bounce, rejection. And now recently, the price is once again read the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share this very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout, the price and was rejected at this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 55 cents and goes to 65 cents. That has been previously breaking at the resistance zone here, and now again it is breaking at a very strong resistance. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Hive that I shared a few days ago on 27th of January 2025 with my members. And this signal produced almost a more than 16% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Hive that I shared on 27th of January 2025 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that high formed on a 2 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, buying on and the sell target on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And this was almost 16% pump. Before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that was formed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And by the way, this signal I shared on 22nd of January 2025. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up and read the sell target zone here. Before that, we got almost 33% pump. That was another harmonic bullish reversal, AB equal to CD move, that high formed with US dollar pair on a 2 hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade signal. Buying on and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started another very nice reversal and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 33% pump. And by the way, this signal I shared on 7th of January 2025 with my members. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish versus shark pattern that was formed on a 4 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And by the way, this signal I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. You can see that it was completing the final leg of this bullish shark pattern. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down and entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very nice reverse. And this was almost a more than 100% pump only on this 4 hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Hive. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it is moving inside this down channel since after 5th of January 2025. And now recently, once again, the price end is reached the resistance of the channel. This time, if the price end will be rejected, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, approximately at 23.5 cents. And by the way, slightly higher than the support of the channel, we have this very long-term support of 23.7 cents as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 23.7 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. We had a bounce here, almost had another bounce here as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 65 cents. And by the way, from 55 to 65 cents, we have a very long-term resistance zone that had been previously breaking at the resistance zone here and support zone here. And now again, it is breaking at a very strong resistance. And this time, if the price and reaches there, then again, it can break at a very strong resistance for the price line of Hive. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakup in this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. That target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $1.20 to $1.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.